Hey, what's up, everybody? It's DJ Modi here coming to you from What You Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in with me. And please hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to the page, help the channel grow, y'all. Hope everybody is having a great Saturday, September 20th. September 20th, that's right, y'all, already. Anyways, it is the weekend, and I hope everything's going good wherever you are, however you are so far. In this video, just going to do a crypto update on what's going on with some of our favorite coins in crypto, like we always do. So, with that being said, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. Let me bring my favorite coinmarketcap.com up so that we can go in here and take a look at everything, see how we're doing. As you can see, the market cap of crypto as a whole is currently sitting at $4.05 trillion, which is good because we're rising up as far as the market cap is concerned. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 48, still in the neutral zone. However, I think it's come down about 3 points since we last talked about crypto. So it's trending back towards the fear side. And remember, whenever there's fear, that's when we actually want to buy in the market because some of your favorite cryptocurrency coins may be on a discount. So be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when people start to get greedy. You got to remember that. Got to remember it that way. It's the opposite, okay? The Bitcoin altcoin season, we're at 77. And it's, as you can see, it's over there on the altcoin side. So whether we know it or not, we could possibly be in the altcoin season, even though it doesn't seem like it. Everything seems kind of slow still. Nothing's going parabolic. Nothing's gone to the upside drastically. So that's why it doesn't feel like an altcoin season. However, once we look back over, let's say we get into 2026, we look back over these last few months at the data as it played out, it might show us and tell us a whole different story. But the way that it feels and seems right now, because we're in the midst of it, to me, it doesn't feel like an altcoin season or an altcoin bull season, that is. But the data says that we are in an altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance has dropped somewhat, and so when Bitcoin dominance drops, that means we're closer to a altcoin season than what we think. Moving on, let's go and look at some of our favorite cryptos. Starting off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 116,000. Been up around 117,000. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to get back up to 120,000. 120,000. Let me get here in the mic so you can hear me. Before, I really feel like we're getting some traction, getting some motion. All right. It has a 2.3 market cap, 2.3 trillion, that is, of the 4.05 trillion market cap in cryptocurrency. The second one, the second one in the top altcoin, Ethereum, is currently at 45.03. Ethereum's been able to hold on strong. No drastic moves upside, but it has been sideways over the last couple of weeks and hasn't dropped back below the 4,000 mark, which is good in my opinion. That's really good. It's showing that it's holding support, it's holding some strength, and so hopefully we continue on. It currently has a $543 billion market cap of the 4.05 trillion money that's poured into cryptocurrency. XRP, the number three coin, currently sitting at $2.98, dropped below the $3 mark. We got Solana here at $240 with $130 market cap. There's been a little news here with Solana and XRP in the news here lately, and so 240 is holding tight. That's pretty good for Solana. Dogecoin, the number one meme, it got up to 28 cents the other day, come back down to about 26, 27 cents with a $40 billion market cap. And as always, you always get a call. Excuse me, y'all. All right, and so let's go down to the number 10 coin, Cardano, ADA, 89 cents. Just like we talked about the other day, we are still waiting on Cardano to get over that dollar mark, break that psychological resistant area of dollar and maintain over a dollar moving forward. So that's when I'll be happy with Cardano. I got a little bit of it, so we'll see how it goes. $32 billion in market cap. Chainlink is currently $23.41 with a $15.8 billion market cap. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get a Chainlink video out here later today. As I said the other day, Chainlink just comes out with great news, great collaborations, great news just about every other day. So I don't see why, again, it's not shot up to 35, 33, $35. I'm still waiting on that. And then hopefully we can get up and break the all-time high around $52 here soon on Chainlink, the backbone of blockchain. All right, right behind it, and not too far behind it in market cap is the AVAX, 14.2 billion, as I told y'all last week, or excuse me, earlier this week. Man, Avalanche, once the FOMC meeting, the Fed did the rate cut. Avalanche broke out. It really, really broke out from $29 up to the 33. I think it got up to $35 and settling back down in the $33 range is Avalanche AVAX. And as I mentioned in the last bull run, 2021, AVAX was a $140 coin. SUI is at $3.69, $13 billion market cap. Hedera H bar is currently 24 cents, 23 to 25 cents is that range. Still waiting on it to break up to that 28 to 30 cents range to really get some movement out of H bar or really show some movement. $10 billion market cap on it. Go to our next coin. Let's see. It should be, yeah, Tau. TAO, Bit Tensor. I talked a little bit about this one in our last video. It was around 360. It was approaching the 370. It is an AI, artificial intelligence play. I am going to do a video on Bit Tensor Tau as well. As I said, it's a artificial intelligence play. And so there's 21 million coins that will ever be created. It sort of mirrors what Bitcoin does, but it is an AI play. So I'm gonna dig just a little bit deeper to give you more information on Tau. Excuse me. We got Ondo. Ondo is currently at $1.02. It is holding above the dollar range, which is good. Again, we want to see it get up to about $1.26, between $1.26 and $1.30 to really and kind of break through that and then, establish that as support with Ondo, as far as, gaining traction. It currently has a $3.2 billion market cap. And I think that's it as far as make sure. I think that's it as far as our watch list and what we're truly, truly watching here on the channel. Let me go over here and to see if there's again, you see Chainlink. That was just an update I posted on X. And by the way, if you want to, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel on X, Twitter, formerly Twitter. It's DJ Modi at What You Say Radio, and I'm always posting stuff about news, music, sports, NFL seasons in, stocks, crypto, any breaking news that we might receive out there. So if you want to go follow me again on X, go to DJ Modi at What You Say Radio. And Chainlink Reserve yesterday added 43,067 link, raising the total holdings to currently $323 million. All right. So Chainlink again is doing great things, doing big things. And with that, but that being said, remember today, life, not today, but every day, life is what you make it. You design it, you live it, and make sure you celebrate it. Again, life is what you make it. Y'all please come over and sign up on my X page. Also, what You Say Radio is you can go to my page, www.whatyousayradio.com. Today is soul, blues, southern soul music in rotation. All you gotta do is go again to www.whatyousayradio.com. You'll see the player right here in the middle of the screen. All you gotta do is hit that player, and you'll get some good music like that right there. So What You Say Radio, we spin nothing but the best music, and check us out there. Again, here it is, www.whatyousayradio.com. Subscribe, or actually go follow me on that page to listen to music. Or if you got Apple Music, you can also search What You Say Radio in Apple Music, or go to TuneIn. We're there as well. So there's plenty of ways that you can watch or listen to the jams that are spinning on What You Say Radio. I appreciate everybody tuning in, locking it in. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the page, to this YouTube page, subscribe to the channel, share, 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 and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. This is DJ Mo D. I'm out. What you say?